Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's actually nighttime and we have all of my Paw Patrols, and I wanted to say that I have a bunch of Paw Patrol toys and I'm collecting a lot. So I'm gonna tell you how many Paw Patrols I have. So first I have the Aquamobile of the Paw Patrol. It actually makes sounds, and this goes up and down, and this goes up too, and like that, and goes like that. And it's really hard to open, but there's the inside. So yeah, and we can actually also fold this. So that's cool. And now next we're on the rescue center. It actually has these. So yeah, it will knock down. And this is actually like a tree house, but it doesn't fit. Nothing of my Paw Patrol toys fit in here. So yeah. This is a door right here. I don't know why is there a door. And this is where the cat will sit. So yeah. That's all for this rescue center. Now next is the Paw Patrol tower. It actually has a slide and a badge right here, as you know. And a telescope, of course. And the top. And actually there's no elevator. Sorry, but there's no elevator. Oh my gosh. Now that's really not fair of the one that created this Paw Patrol tower. So yeah. Well, that's fine to me. Oh, and I almost forgot. The rescue center has like this gun. I don't know what is it for, but it has 2 bullets, I think. So yeah. And now we're gonna go to the Mighty Twins. So these are the Mighty Twins. It actually glows up, and we're gonna turn off the lights so you can see them glow. Okay, just wait, guys. Okay, guys. Now the lights are turned off, and look what they do. Wow. Looks so cool, right? Now we're gonna turn on the lights. Okay, now we're done with the Mighty Twins. Oh, and I almost forgot that they actually go magnetic. As you see. So magnetic. They're like lovebirds if they're magnetic. So yeah. And next we have Marshall in Marshall's car. So this is Marshall's car right here, and the door opens. This is actually an ambulance, not a fire truck. So yeah. And here's Marshall, and this is what he looks like if he's in the car. So yeah. And now next up we have Zuma, and Zuma's car right here. So I have something to say with Zuma's car. It has a claw right here, and it's so hard to put it down. Oh, there we go. And it has a button here, so it will get out. And actually in the box, when I bought this actually goes off, but now it doesn't. So yeah. And here's Zuma. There's the button right here, and if you press it, the bag, these boosters go like this.
It popped out.
It popped out. And this is what he looks like in the car. And the car closed. so hard, so yeah. Sorry. And there we have Zuma. Next rolling in is Rubble's car, and also Rubble. So Rubble's car has this like bulldozer thingy. So yeah, and if look at this, guys. If it's raining, Rubble can just put this up and use it as shade. Look at that. So he will stay dry. See? He's so dry. And it also have this excavator thing. So yeah. And now our last car is Rocky's car, and actually I have two Rockies, so don't judge. And this is the original Rocky and the Mission Patrol Rocky, and this is what the original Rocky looks like in the car, and this is what the Mission Patrol Rocky looks in the car. So what looks better, the original Rocky or the Mission Patrol Rocky in the car? Tell in the comments. And the back also opens like Marshalls, and this goes up and down. So yeah. Okay, so next we have Chase. And Chase actually comes with the Rescue Center playset. So yeah, and there's a button right here, and it's actually, and Chase's feet will go like actually like this, like splitting. He's like splitting. Now next up we have Sky. It's the fire Sky. So yeah, and the bag is actually, I don't know where is it, but yeah. And here's Sky. Oh, and Sky's dance floor. Sky's dance floor is right here. So yeah, Sky's dance floor. Very neat. And now we have Everest. I actually don't have the real Everest kind, but I will stick to the fake one. But it actually really looks like Everest, but this looks so creepy. Guys, so creepy. So yeah. Here's Everest. And guys, that's all for my video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.